OG. You guys know if you've been following for a long time. RPG Hair has been an OG hair company for me. Okay, so yeah, today we're here with them again. Same packaging as usual. I got the pamphlet here, which pretty much shows, you know, hair care, all those good stuff, you know, social media information, all the good stuff. We got a hair, an edge brush and comb. They get this in a wig cap. I got extra elastic band. Okay, before we get into the wig, we got a rat tail comb. Always good to get those. Oh, and I got another flyaway tamer. So yeah, that's everything that came in there. But we got a drawstring bag and it's branded RPG. Cute, very perfect for storage. All right, so today's wig that we're working with is some nice body wave hair. Okay, so this is a 360 lace wig that we're working with today. It's body wave. It's 150% in density. Again, summer streak series, so you know it's another streak hair. It's 20 inches long. It's very nice and full and bouncy. So it is pre-bleached. I love that. That's how it looks. It's a 13x4 lace front. It got 3 combs in total in there, and it's a 360 as I said. Adjustable straps, the whole works. I love that. So yeah, this is what we're working with today. Oh, it does come pre-plucked a bit. You could go in and pluck it more for more graduation. Yeah, that's looking really good. So you know the vibes. We're gonna jump into application. Today, and yeah, that's how I'm feeling, because today I'm gonna be going out on the road and I'm gonna be quite active, so I want something kind of pulled out of my face and just like still cute, you know. So that's the vibes I think I'm wearing for today. Right now I'm just gonna make my baby hairs, or my edges. I'm gonna do my swoops, rather, not baby hairs but I'm gonna do my swoops, okay? that's pretty much it for this look. I love the way this turned out. RPG hair. And this little scrunchie just added to the whole look. You know these scrunchies are trending, right? So it's not too heavy too. It's really not too heavy at all. So RPG hair, I think you did a good job with the color job of this. As you guys know, it is my summer streak series. Let me know how you liking it so far. Done a couple makeovers so far. Yeah. But yeah, I'm going to be sure to put all the specification of this wig in my description box. The direct link where you can go ahead and order it if you are interested in getting it. And that's it for today. So I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and big up on yourself.
Cause we'll be on a time.